Today I'll show how to blur video in CapCut. First, open CapCut and select your video. Click on Effects, then Video Effects. We need Lens Blur in the Filters channel. That's it. You can adjust the blur. Choose which video section to blur next. Add the same video for masking. Click Overlay, Add Overlay, select Video and Add to Channel. Now we can continue. We need a mask. Find Mask, select Video. Here's the mask. Select, for example, a square. Click Invert at bottom left for opposite effect. Now we can move it to the desired spot. We can also add, accordingly, we need keyframes for this mask. For this, we